And we're live.
How's it going, guys?
Yeah!
I'm Fainer with Up North Guitar. That's Peas on the camera.
He's back here not doing anything.
Here's a band that I thought we would have done a long time ago.
Thought that was really funny. You're like, we should do some Alice in Chains. We haven't done it before. And I'm like, yeah, we have.
And we had to like scroll through because we're at that point with like 50 plus videos. We're like, did we?
And
yeah,
we didn't.
We didn't do it because I've said like 3 times, like we should do Lightning Crashes by Live. You're like, we've done that. I'm like, have we?
It's one of our best.
It's one of the ones. You know, like I'm like, oh shit, I keep forgetting that.
You know what else we should do? 3 a.m. by Matchbox.
We should do that. But we already did that one. Go check it out. So, anyways, Alice in Chains. This is No Excuses, and we'll eventually get to Man in the Box, but that's for a later video. So, this song utilizes the open chord structure in the E shape. So normally you'd be doing one of these, right? But I want you to lift off your index finger. Okay, so it's not laying down the whole way. It's only pressing on the top fret. Okay, so that way you got these. Bring it out. Like that.
Oh,
okay,
that's pretty.
Now I'm going to be speaking about these chords in terms of where they are on the root note on the top. I know that they're probably not an A. Okay, I think it's probably more like an A2 and then, an A2 and a B2. That I don't know for sure. Either way, I know how to play the song and you don't. So that's why you're here, so let's learn it.
because the guitar's in flat tuning. Did you already mention that?
Oh, I didn't. The guitar's in flat.
That's right.
So that's why it wasn't matching up earlier.
How do you get your guitar in half tuning?
You tune everything down a half step.
Oh.
So we got E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat. Or if you're using a snark, okay, you've got what? D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and so on and so forth. Either way, it's flat tuning. So you're gonna start out with that A2 right there, okay? Normally you'd be doing this, right? Like in hook. But we're not here for that. So you're gonna lift up your index finger and you're gonna let it ring out. And then you're gonna slide it up. Like that. It should go ton 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 like that. I love that bass line.
Yeah.
So we're going from that A to that B, okay? And that's pretty much the whole verses where you hear him go, yeah, it's fine. Walk down the line. Leave my way. I go drink warm sunshine. Drink I'll be for you. You think it's funny when you're down and it ain't true. And you're going down to a G right there.
Whoa.
This is where they do the every day something hits me. Okay, so we're just going G, A, B. Alright, pretty simple. G to A, and then you're gonna go to an E major. No excuses that I know.
Whoa.
Do. And start it all over again. And start it all over again with a second verse and a third verse and so on and so forth. Pretty much all you've got is just that. In your verses, and then when it drops down to the every day for the chorus, you go down to your G, then your A, then your B. One time. Then you're gonna go G, A, E the next time around. Do. And then if you and your friends want to jam to it, the solo is the chorus. So here's where the solo starts. It goes.
Damn!
So yeah, it's pretty effective. It's pretty, you know.
Yeah.
It's got a big boom to those chords.
This is one where it looks hard.
Mm-hmm.
If you are watching somebody play, because you're like, shit, that's a lot of bar chords, but it's not bars. So you're just doing the.
Yeah, you have this index finger not laying down, so you don't have to reef on it the whole
you
time.
can just slide.
You can just like see literally like from side view. I'm just doing that.
Yep.
I'm lifting. I'm not barring it, so you get these really effective chords. So, and you can even do them on the A string if you guys are ever interested in experimenting. These two chords are really pretty. So that's how you play that song. I hope that you guys enjoyed that lesson, and I hope that wasn't too short for you or, you know, disappointing because you thought it was more complicated. I thought it was.
I am absolutely blown away.
So, yeah.
I'm so impressed.
This song is great because not only is it so simple on the guitars, but it's not so simple on the vocals. So if you can do the vocals, you know what? Send us a video. Send us a video in the comments or something, or send it to our email if we have it up there, or our Facebook or whatever.
Watch it up.
We will watch it up. So if anybody has done this song live, I want to hear it. Bees wants to hear it because I've done this live with a buddy of mine, and that vocal harmony is not easy. They're going all over the place, crisscrossing each other. It's really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. I'm Fainer with Up North Guitar. Got Peace on the camera. And no excuses. Practice. Have a good one.